Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Tesla Model S headlight bulb. This is a straightforward process that you can do yourself with just a few basic tools. Before we begin, make sure your car is powered down and the parking brake is engaged. You'll need a new headlight bulb, a screwdriver, and possibly a 10mm nut bit. Safety first, so let's get prepared to illuminate the road ahead. Now, let's get to the headlight. First, you'll need to carefully remove the front wheel on the side where you're replacing the bulb. This gives you ample space to work. Next, locate and remove the fasteners securing the wheel well liner. There are typically several screws and clips. Once those are out, gently pull back the liner. This will reveal the headlight assembly, allowing you to reach the bulb housing. With the headlight assembly exposed, it's time to replace the bulb. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, gently rotate the old bulb counterclockwise, usually about 30 degrees, to release it from its housing. Now, take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and insert it. Twist it clockwise until it's securely locked in place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks firmly. You're almost done. Now, let's put everything back together. Carefully push the wheel well liner back into its original position and secure it with all the screws and clips you removed earlier. Next, reinstall the front wheel, ensuring all lug nuts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, turn on your Tesla Model S and switch on the headlights. Verify that your new bulb is working perfectly, providing clear and bright illumination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.